Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the window switch for the rear door on Volkswagen Touareg right here, 2005 to 2010 generation. So if your window switch on the rear left or rear right side is not working, sometimes if you spill something they go bad, sometimes they just go bad and you need to replace it, stay with us, we'll show you how to do that now. Thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, so for the window switch you don't need to remove the door panel. All you need to do is get a prying tool, and on the front there is two notches that you need to press down, okay, and you can remove the switch. Okay, now we need to disconnect the wire by pressing it and pulling out. Okay, this is guys the switch right here. You can see it's been replaced in the past. This one is cracked here, it's damaged, but it's still holding once it gets in place there. So this is the wire, and in order to release it you just press this thing down and pull it out. So when you're ready to replace it, all you have to do just push in the wire, lock in place, and then you need to push in the button itself. Okay, like that, pretty simple. So thank you guys for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.